January 17th. Took 3 trades today. It was done by the first 25, 25, yeah, 25-minute. Really nice day and happy with my performance. So let's walk through the trades I took. Let's go through the plan first. Plan was a balance, as you can see in this blue shaded box here. Overnight strong sell off. What's the current context and auction telling us? What is the chart telling us? So plan was coming into the session, seeing that we broke through the balance, and then we bounced the low volume note here bounce. We already tested that like a couple days ago, last week. Now we tested it twice, and then the expected value is like the more we test, the more we're gonna break this and aggressively. So we bounce higher low, blah blah blah. We come back to this. Now it's telling me that we're coming back and we're unable to accept back into the balance. Does that tell me imbalance, right? And right now we're about to open below yesterday's low, previous low, like PLO, and it was like a lack of selling, which I did cover yesterday on yesterday's video. Doesn't matter. So right now I'm watching this low volume node. If I can get some sellers, this could tested the high and instantly fail at that weekly VWAP. So I want to see how we do at these low volume node. And ES was at the low of day, stalling at the overnight low, and that thing was so weak it looks like breaking, and it added more confidence for me to take this trade to hold it. But usually I don't take breakdown momentum trade, but with the context like this and seeing how ES was trading with the weakness, I'm like, okay, I'm confident to take this trade. 40 to print there, and then now we're breaking lower. Yeah, so I want to short this. Momentum is here. Look at the selling. Look at the speed of the tape and the size pouring into the low. Okay, we bounce. I don't want to short it yet, or I don't want to long either. Saw that 58 to sell. We bounced a little bit, come back down, sell this breakthrough like it's nothing. Unfortunately, I only got filled two of my only two a lot. Unfortunately, it's all good, right? What made me hold this trade even more? Like I didn't scale like randomly because I only had two lot. I wanted five. I only had two, so I'm like, I want to try to hold this for more, especially with the context, high quality setup. This is where I want to see a bounce. This is where I want to see a bounce. We failed here. We failed here. Now we're gonna go lower. So let's skip a little bit lower. Fast forward just a little bit if I can. And half speed. You can see sellers just really aggressively selling. 30 point there. Didn't want to scale yet. Buyers coming in and every buying coming in will just keep stuffing them and keep selling it lower. It's gonna squeeze them even more. Took one off at 35 point. Here I'm looking to cover. Yeah, I'm over here complaining about I didn't get my 5 lot fill and then it's crying. Yeah, even so, I'm pretty confident it's gonna be an imbalance day. Moving my stop down lower and lower. I think this last one I cut here pretty soon. Pull back, not worried. And right now at this low, I want to see selling if we break this new low. Watching the level, new low, 53 point. Some buying coming in here. Not too worried. Move my stop lower. I say I'm about to cut it if I don't get followed through, especially at my level. Seller got a break here. Broke. Some selling coming in. Don't get a push down. That quick movement right there, I just cut it. Thing I have to do show my scales here. So 1 for 35 point, right? And then the other one for math not working, 53 point. Not bad, right? Only 2 lots, so restore what was there. That was the first trade. Second trade is here. Strong sell off. Context as still the same. Balancing, I mean imbalance, fail to balance. Strong sell. And all these buyings getting trapped lower, and then now a small little grind up on a leg down, grind up, slow grind up, flagging. I was like, if we break this flag, I am liking a short because all these high here, lack of buying, continuing high, continuing higher. Not a perfect way to draw a flag, but you get the context. Let me just go back to normal speed, be better. So 67-ish. We do have two of these low here has some possible buying, so I want to see we break these low and see what happens. So around 62, 63. ES is also at overnight low again, still like trying to break it. Eyes on Dom, selling coming in, 84 to sell, strong sell. 81, 84 to sell, small little push up. I want to see sellers find momentum here. Right? I don't want to see lack of selling. Okay, seller breaking it. Took a short right there. Like I said, I want to break up this strong selling 84, and then we break this to pivot here 63, 64, and then we're pushing down with selling. Love it. It was just an intent for scalp, so covering cover 3 there, right? Strong selling bar. There's no reason to cover, but like I said, it was just for a scalp. Didn't playing for a hold, possible hold. That's bad though. Moving my stop into profit. That's seeing where it come back, wick me, and then keep going lower. Could have put my stop at break even. Very confident of holding this trade now. Trying to take another off here. Moving my stop. Like I said, it's a scalp. Wanted just a 10-point scalp, to be honest. ES was, yeah, didn't want to break the new low. This thing would have come back and stopped me out if I would have played this tight. I shouldn't be playing it this tight. Should have let it work out a little bit more. 100 to sell here. Yeah. Something got a journal. I see. Like I said, it's really important to watch your recording, how you execute, how did you manage the trade. And this thing could have come back and stopped me out. We're really close to stopping me out. Took another one off, 25 points. Thing. We just keep selling. ES was a strong selling. This thing is still having momentum down. Now here's where I want to cover. Really important level here, line in sand. Some buy here and then getting trapped. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna be more important. Don't mind the hold here. Yeah, ES was not trying to break new low while this is breaking. Trying to see here if we can test these low. Sellers still selling, bids are pulling. I just sit buying, I just cut it at my level as well. It was a scalp anyway. Give me a good shot. And then the last shade was just, yeah, these are the scale. You can see 11.25, and then the last one 45. It was a scalp anyway for the momentum, but I didn't expect like a strong push down like that. But yeah, take it. Think I did take one more trade here. Doing something really bad. Take a really bad trade here. Like I said, I haven't watched it yet, so this is my first time reviewing it. Oh yeah, we pushed up selling. I think we about to break a new low here, and then try to short into my level. New low, didn't fail. Pretty sure I took a. Yeah, I saw that 18 there was a nice bounce kind of along it. Saw some buying coming in and something pushed up. Thought we're gonna have a nice push up and break down lower. Didn't though. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I tried to short the breakdown here. Not a good setup. Yeah, I'm short about to short here in a couple of seconds. I'm also sizing down to just one lot. No point in giving back my profit, in my opinion. One thing I did wrong here was I saw a buy. It's at my level. I saw buying. I saw some rebid at 18. So like, look, I'm on a buy button. And then the next second I want to go short. Like I'm 50-50. I'm not certain. I'm not sure what am I doing. Should I long? Should I short? Right? So that's like one of the mistake I did here. I'm doubting myself. I'm not as confident as I should be to take a trade. There's no point of taking it, right? I'm seeing these buys coming in, failing ish. So I'm okay. About to take a trade. More buying coming in. Look, look. Just focus on the cursor. Just focus on the mouse cursor. I go to the buy button and I go to the sell button. I took it instantly bounce and run me away. Took a 5-point stop, a quick one stop. It is what it is. I deserve that though. And that's how I'm done for the day. I feel a little like pissed. Yeah, these are our trades for today. Thank you for watching.